woodside. See if it's tip off. Today's January 5th, Tuesday. What's up, boss? Are you at Air Electric? No, are you the owner? No? You just make the owner money. So you can go on vacation?
Pretty much.
Were you ever thought of joining the electricians union? You can make a lot of money for yourself too. How long you been an electrician?
20 years.
Dude, a guy like you, well, in this area, are you familiar with the union?
Yeah.
Were you union before? We're local.
I was out of Sacramento.
340? How many years?
I think it was 8.
Really? So you're familiar, man. The benefits, the retirement. We're still looking for good guys, man. How long you been with Arrow?
I don't know, like 15 years now.
Oh, wow. You're probably not interested, huh?
He takes real good care of me.
Right? How about your retirement?
I have 401k, I have all that stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right now, it's $18 an hour. So it's about $756 a week that goes to your retirement. On top of the 66. So 66 an hour for a regular journeyman.
He puts in 10 grand a year for me.
So right now, if you work as a journeyman, you'll make about $130K just Monday through Friday, and you'll put away $30K to your retirement. I mean, I know you're set up, you're good, but if anything changes, man, you got my number. What was your name?
It's Chris.
Chris? Hey,
Alright,
for a guy running work, like on something like this, $75 an hour. Yeah. All right, Chris.